Like so many other New Hampshire communities, Durham Public Works crews will spend the night removing the snow piled up downtown. The first big snow event of the season, overwhelming the budget and personnel.
This storm was a real humdinger.
The town administrator says it's cost Durham $25,000 so far, much more than usual. It's not the amount of snow that fell, it's the duration. 2 waves lasting over 48 hours.
That involves regular time, overtime, and double overtime. We put down 96 tons of salt on the road and a little bit more sand than that as well.
30 hours can be a typical one, but not this long.
But you're doing okay today?
Yeah, I could use a little bit more rest, but dedication.
And another frustration, snow casting. That's when property owners throw snow from their driveway onto the road. It tends to happen more often when a storm takes repeated cleanings. The police chief in Lee says they issued 3 warnings in this storm, a $100 fine if it happens again. Durham's DPW director says the ordinance against snow casting is common and needs reminding.
Somebody's driving on a perfectly nice, smooth, plowed road, and then they encounter all kinds of snow and ice chunks and all that stuff. So it's very dangerous.
You know, many communities like Durham will be removing their snow piles tonight. Portsmouth will do it tomorrow night. The overall cost, according to the Department of Public Works director, $40,000 for this removal alone. We're live in Portsmouth. Jennifer Crompton, WMUR News 9.